This Coldwell Banker Lake Oconee Realty / Lake Country property video is presented by Stacy Hutchinson. Estate Lake Oconee lakefront home being sold as is. Open floor plan with updated finishes in mid-cove location, minutes away by boat to the jumping off rock near the dam in Putnam County. Main level boasts a central great room with hardwood floors, masonry gas fireplace, beamed cathedral ceiling, opens to an enclosed sunroom with wide views of the lake. Cook's kitchen features just what you want and need: granite, SS appliances, gas range, kitchen desk, and breakfast bar. Living area is flanked by 2 master bedrooms with ensuite baths and 2 decks. A 3rd bedroom with ensuite bath is located in the bonus room above the 3-car garage. Huge opportunity to build out the full terrace level to your liking. Central living plan is main level. Already in place is 1 partially completed drywalled and stubbed bedroom with ensuite bath, and a studded 2nd bedroom also with a stubbed ensuite bath. Sufficient lakefront for a dock, with acceptable permitting via GA power. Also available, abutting lot with max dock in place.